Now then, we're back again with another quick video. This time we're going to show you how to remove the wing mirrors on a Vauxhall or Opel Movano B, Renault Master or Nissan NV400. So let's get to it. The first step is to remove the sail panel. This just pulls off as it's only held in place by 3 panel clips, so just grip it firmly at the top and slowly pull it off. Until all the clips pop out. There you go. Once that's off, you'll see that the mirror is held on by 3 quite long bolts. To remove these, you'll need to pray that your 10mm socket hasn't gone walkabout as they tend to. Way, there it is. Take your 10mm socket and start undoing the bolts. And the bolts are quite long, so they take some undoing, but once they're far enough out you can just spin them off with your fingers. Boo! I don't know what that noise was. When you get to the last bolt, make sure to hold the mirror in place so it doesn't fall off. Ours was stuck on pretty well, so it wouldn't have, but you might not be so lucky. Kylie. Once the last bolt is undone, unclip the electrics connection here. You'll have to then carefully push the electrical connection through the hole to get it out, and pull the mirror away from the van. And we're done. One quick tip before we go though. Once you're done, gather up all the bolts you've removed and put them in the back of the mirror so you know where they are next time. Shazam! Now, where's that socket gone? Oh. If you're interested in seeing more Movano Master NV400 conversion videos, then hit subscribe. We're going to be turning this sorry sad sack of a van into a fully off-grid beast, with new videos every week detailing the progress. So if you want to see that, hit subscribe. We are Van Life UK, a complete survivor's guide. If you liked what you saw, press subscribe. And that's it for today. Please subscribe.